Hello everyone. CBSE has launched a new question paper pattern for the board exams which will be applicable for 9th and 10th classes from this academic year onwards. In this video, we will be discussing about the question paper pattern for the second language paper and a sample question paper on Hindi. Let's begin. Welcome to the video. Question paper consists of two parts. The first part will be objective type questions and the second part has descriptive type questions. In the first part of part A, you will be given 4 passages from which you need to answer only 2. You are expected to choose one passage from the first 2 and one from the later 2 passages. There will be 5 objective type questions following every passage with each question carrying 1 mark. Therefore, you will get 10 marks from this portion. Followed by passages, there will be grammar questions from 4 different grammar portions mentioned in your syllabus. Among 4 grammar portions, all portions except Proverbs have 5 objective type questions, meaning that you need to answer only 4. Proverbs section has 4 objective type questions with no options. Each question carries 1 mark each. In total, grammar portions carry 16 marks. After grammar portions, objective type questions from a prose and any 2 passages from your textbook will be asked. Prose will have 4 objective type questions and 2 passages will have 5 objective type questions each. This section will have no options. The questions carries 1 mark each and with a total mark of 14 marks for these sections. In part B, you need to give descriptive answers. In this part, you need to answer 3 question and answer section. In first section, you have to answer 2 questions out of 3 in 25 to 30 words, each carrying 2 marks. In the section Q&A, in the second session, you need to answer 1 question in 60 to 70 words, carrying 4 marks. This question has no options. Next, you need to answer 2 out of 3 questions in 40 to 50 words for a 3 mark each. Thus, the Q&A session altogether will carry 14 marks. Next in part B is writing session where you need to write an essay, a letter, a notice and an advertisement, also a short story. Essay is for 6 marks and to be written in 80 to 100 words. You will be provided with 3 options and 3 main points that to be included in each essay. In letter, notice, advertisement and short story writing, you need to choose one from 2 options given and all of them carries 5 marks each. Therefore, the writing session in total carries 26 marks. Thus, part A carry 40 marks and part B carries 40 marks with a total of 80 marks for the examination. Now, we will discuss a sample question paper in Hindi for class 10th. The examination is for 3 hours with a total mark of 80. The question paper carries 2 parts. There will be objective type questions in part A and descriptive type questions in part B. In this video, we will be displaying questions and its answers. We recommend you to pause the video to read the question and trying to answer it. Here is the first passage. Please pause the video and read the passage. Hope you have done. These are the questions. Please pause the video and try to answer. The answers are: past Pause the video and answer. Answers are: here is the second passage. If you have answered the first passage, you may skip this portion. If you haven't, please pause the video and read the passage. Please pause the video and try to answer the questions. Here is the third passage. You have to answer one from the third and the fourth passage. Therefore, pause the video and read the passage. Try to answer the questions. Here is the fourth passage. If you have done the third passage, you may ignore this. If you haven't, please pause the video and read the passage. Pause and answer the questions. Pause the video and try to answer. The answers are: the next grammar portions. Here also you need to answer 4 out of 5 questions. The answers are: answer any 4 out of the 5 questions. Answer all the 4 questions. Given is a prose from your textbook. You need to read the prose and answer all the questions following. The answer is: here is a passage from your textbook. You need to read the passage and answer all the questions. Here is another passage from your textbook. You need to read the passage and answer all the 5 questions. Here we are at part B. You have to answer all the questions from here descriptively. Question number 8. Answer any 2 of the following questions in 25 to 30 words. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 9. Answer the question in 60 to 70 words. This question carries 4 marks. Question number 10. Answer any 2 of the following questions in 40 to 50 words. Each question carries 3 marks. Question number 11. Write an essay in one of the given subjects using the given points in 80 to 100 words. You will get at least 3 to 4 main points for each topic. This question carries 6 marks. Question number 12. Letter writing. You can choose to write any one of the following letters. It carries 5 marks. Question number 13. Write a notice for any one of the following events. This question carries 5 marks. Question number 14. Write an advertisement for any one of the following. This question carries 5 marks. Question number 15. Write a short story on any one of the given subjects. You have to answer it in 100 to 120 words. This question carries 5 marks. Dear student, in this video we have discussed the question pattern and a sample question paper for the subject Hindi for class 10th. We will be launching a crash course on Hindi for the class 10th soon. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.